All right, Kev. It's day 6. We're here on Oasis of the Seas. What are we going to do this afternoon?
We're gonna go see the glow-in-the-dark puppet show.
The glow in the dark puppet show. What do you think?
Uh,
What are you expecting?
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's go check it out. All right, let's go.
Oh, wow, there's a lot of people.
There's a line. It's a good one. Ready, Kev?
Yeah.
Here we go. Ready?
And this is Up, Up, and Away. Are we excited? Yay! The Up, Up, and Away is our very own glow-in-the-dark puppet show event.
Time freeze red, well, that's just long enough for you to get a quick glimpse of what is out there.
Did you say a time freeze, Ray?
Yep.
Mia! Are you?
All right, Kev, what did we just see?
The Up and Away puppet show.
What did you think of it?
It was actually pretty good. I wasn't expecting it to be as good as it was.
Yeah? I mean, what was the coolest part?
I don't know.
All right, so should we give like a little teaser? Like, what could people expect? How long was it?
Like 20, 25 minutes.
Yeah, I think 20, 25 minutes. Yeah, no longer than that. So it was nice and short. What else can they expect?
Bubbles shoot out. There's like
The bubbles are cool. The bubbles are cool. And I gotta say, the glow in the dark is pretty neat. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Worth seeing?
Yeah.
All right, so give your full review. What would you tell? What would you say?
Like I feel like 12 and older, or like older than 12, it wouldn't be as good for them.
Yeah, probably not.
More like younger kids.
But how about the adults? Oh, maybe mommy should speak for the adults,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I think the parents will get a good little chuckle too and enjoy it with their kids. But I would definitely say, that 10 and under type crowd is definitely you wanna check it out. So you'll catch it usually twice.
Yeah. Over here.
Twice on 2C days.
Right here.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's today's.
So
So
twice today. This is the today.
twice today, and it was on second C day. So, all right, cool. Check it out if you're on an Oasis class ship. Actually, check it out if you're on a Royal Caribbean ship with Adventure Ocean. All right, where are we going now?
Back to the room.
Back to the room.